Hello. In this video, we'll go over the process of converting PDF documents into text files. So in our case, we have these invoices. Let's look at one. They are dummy invoices I created using a template. I think I got the template from Microsoft webpage. So anyway, this invoice has the company name, dummy service, and some addresses, phone numbers, and amounts, tax amounts. And we'll try to extract this information. And for us to extract it, um, we'll try to convert them to text files. So for each of these invoices, we'll try to create a text version of it. In order for us to do that, we'll create a new file here. Let's go ahead and save it, and we'll import some packages. Uh, The OS package enables users to use the operating system functionalities, I believe. So let's create some directory variables. I got some snippets here, so you don't have to watch me type. This one is pointing to the directory where this file is saved, and we'll create another one. Uh, this one points to the folder where the invoices are saved. Let's work with February first. And now we'll create a for loop. So I have a snippet for that. So for loop essentially enables the user to go through a number of items. It doesn't matter what kind of items you have or how many of the items you have. That's the big advantage of the for loops. In our case, we have invoices in this directory. We have 50 invoices, and in this code, what it's saying, I believe, is for file name in invoice directory, essentially for each item here, whatever's saved in this folder. We're assigning the name file name. You can call this anything you want. So let's say for each item in this folder, if the item name ends in PDF, then open it, take the information from it, and assign it to this PDF variable. And then open another file with a txt extension in the same directory and use the same file name for this text file and save the information in the text file and save the text file, I guess. I think that's a crude explanation. At least that's what I think is happening. Um, we'll see if it works. So let's look at the February files. So if I run this, we should get 50 files with uh, the same names but different extension. All right. Looks like it worked. So for each of the PDF invoice, we received a text file. Now let's look at one. This is the invoice number 2, and here's the text version. So essentially all the information from the invoice without any of the formatting. And that's all we want, because we can get these values easily from these text files. And that's what I wanted to do in this video. Let's see if it works for March invoices. So we have to change the directory here. Point to March. Ah, it works here too. That's good. So that's the whole point of creating this uh, for loop, this app, uh, so that we don't have to do this manually every month because we get a new invoice batch of invoices every month, and going through it every one by one every month is not very efficient. It's not very practical, and you don't want to keep doing the same thing every month. So that's why we can use this file to save them as text files. Now, in the next video, we'll work on extracting the values from these text files. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.